Thank you, Speaker. Greetings to yourself, Deputy Speaker, Premier, colleagues, and all honourable members. I shall so move that in this House, the recognizing of the important role that the schools of specialization play in preparation of our learners for the economy of the future. As KwaZulu-Natal continues to confront the challenges of youth unemployment, skills shortage, we must ensure that our education system responds to the needs of the changing world. Schools of specialization provide learners with opportunities to acquire sector-specific skills in areas such as engineering, maritime studies, agriculture, information and communication technology, aviation and mining, and renewable energy. We then resolve to support expansion of schools of specialization across all districts of KwaZulu-Natal, encourage stronger partnership between government, industrial companies and institutions of higher learning, and to promote investment in technical and vocational education and cater for economic growth, and reaffirm its commitments to ensuring that every learner has access to quality education and meaningful pathway of employment. Thank you. I so move.
The next member is Honorable